Trying to make it pretty. Because apparently pretty is what everybody wants.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
That's once everything starts getting ripped out and rebuilt.
You're going to 215's fourth order?
Yep, I got both my hooligans. I gotta get the other ones. Gotta get reconed, and that one does too. Once I get them reconed, it'll be a fourth order build. I'm gonna put the plexiglass in and everything, so you can see the inside, lights, all that stupid shit. Trying to make it pretty, because apparently pretty is what everybody wants.
Yeah, that's true. Pretty and loud.
I'm gonna redo my back wall and everything too.
And your port is on the other side?
Yep.
This is braced in here.
It used to not flex as bad as it does now. That's how I did that.
Yeah. You lost the tweeter.
Yeah. They all blew out.
This is the bucket port.
Oh.
I like your port. The bucket port. Did you ever figure out what your tuning was?
Huh?
What's your tuning? You don't know?
I don't know. Probably around 39-ish or something like that. If I put a 10-inch port, it'll probably be lower.
Okay. This thing is low to the ground.
Yeah, last time I pulled the bumper off, everybody freaked out.
No, I remember that.
I ain't pulling the bumper off this time.
Don't.
It just got painted, so
Yeah,
I ain't trying to do shit.
don't mess it up.
I just painted it last night. Friday night, right before the storm hit. A lot of the dip ended up having a bunch of fucking water underneath it from the thing, so I had to cut out certain portions of the dip, repaint.
Wow. I like your face knobs.
Yeah, back on my ring.
Yep. Going to 2 Hooligan 15s, fourth order soon. Where's your voltage gauge at?
Right here.
What did it say?
Fucking said like 10.2.
Dude.
They didn't like it. I knew it was gonna go out eventually.
At least the amp's protecting.
Yeah,
It's safer than blowing something. Yeah.
Yeah, she's in protect mode like crazy.
Is it heat?
Probably.
Nah, dude. It's not that hot.
They want my crib, they want my kisses, I like that's my fame. I never recall your African boyfriend for lately. Put a guy to a beat, coming on home, get your aggravated. I need a coffee bag, my gang ain't been doing it. I need my hair done. Truth, I ain't got nothing to do with it. Still on Victoria's Secret. Hit the nigga, so this flow is slow. Chris, so I can't get soft and white to go up in my now I'm feeling fine. Nothing but sex is on my mind. If you cannot please me, don't wait all over time. Got you caught up in the mix. Mixed girl from Triple. Late night is all we have. It's time for drink that bitch. I'm not the type that get involved in no relationship. Taking trips and trying to feel so sorry. I'm not on it. Can't just get me on that look back. I'm not the type that get involved in no relationship. Taking trips and buying gifts. I'm sorry, I'm not on it.
Single 15, 115 on 2,000 watts.
Now I tiptoe on him. And baby, it keep me trapped in the dreams that run right now, baby. And I keep it that I'm just
Put your window up.
Okay. Yeah. I didn't know if you was gonna get out and control your bass knob or
Yeah,
what.
I am.
So, okay.
Well, I can't actually. I gotta
It's up to you.
Can't just get me on that.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.